no white laundry service. That's where you can get all your laundry done if you don't want to do it yourself. Going around the place, we're going to drive around a little bit, show you what the buildings look like. Every building on base is the same, except the chow hall, and that's kind of like a temporary thing that we built. On the left over here is the chow hall. They have okay food, it's not too bad. Got an area in front of us, it's called Central Park. That's where if they have any concerts or anything, USO stuff coming in, they'll usually perform out in there. Over on the left, you have a fitness center, a Nautilus center, that's for people working out. All kinds of stuff you get into working out while you're here. As you can see, all the buildings look the same. Off on the right, have volleyball courts, a pub where you can get all kinds of drunk on near beer. Got a center here for aerobics. They got ping pong, pool, darts, all that kind of stuff in there. You got a MWR video rental area, and then you got the Morale phones and TV center and library. Morale phones you can call every night. They're not monitored, so it's pretty easy to do whenever you want. Got different kind of service on base. In front, coming up, you have what's called the Oasis of Peace. That's a thing for where all the religious stuff is held. They have a chapel villa on the corner next to it. That's where all the services are held. Okay, you're gonna turn right here. You get the hospital, the fire department on this street. Off on the left, got the hospital, and then you got one of the two stations that the Riyadh firefighters have to man. All you have up down here is a P8 and a P18. You can tell the firemen are hard at work at 1:15 on a weekday. That's one of the stations you guys will have to man. Station over there.
You got stations on this side.
The actual station is a villa. Off on the right. It's an actual villa that everyone lives in. They just convert every building to what they need it for. Totally, they only have about 30 people in their station, and they have to man 2 stations. Or in there. 30 people in the fire department, and they have to man 2 stations. Okay.
Cool.
Drive on a little further.
I'll put it on pause.
Okay. This area is about 200 or 300 yards from where you guys are going to live. Got a place to wash your clothes over here. Got a BX, which is pretty good. It's about a 1/6 the size of ours, but it's kind of small. Got a Korean gift shop. They'll do all your sewing your patches and stuff on. Baskin Robbins, and some other place where you get burgers and stuff. Back behind in here, there's a pool. It's not too bad. I've never swam in there. I've laid out a couple times, but that's about it. We got video games and stuff in there. Down here, we've got a post office to do everything. Other cleaners, they have 2 or 3 different locations on base. And you got a place to get your hair cut. A bunch of Filipinos will do it. And you got a couple different gift shops over here also, selling Saudi stuff. Saudi dude works right here. It's not open right now, probably because of prayer. But do all your sell all kinds of little brass things, stuff like that. Take a look at the pool real quick. Pool over here. It's behind Baskin Robbins. It's pretty nice. They're redoing some of the stuff here right now. There's nobody in it now because it's kind of cool during the days. Not too many people want to get in the water, make them lay out at their villas, so it's no biggie. And as you can see, we're right behind the area where Baskin Robbins and the burger place is. Yeah, I'll videotape a little bit more of the villas on the way back and inside the villa, and that'll be about it for you guys. See, all the villas around here look the same. They're all the same design layout. Everybody gets all these different vehicles that they can use. Suburbans, Jeeps, cars. They just sign them all out to your squadron and you use them the whole time you're here. This is our Suburban here. I guess in your station you're going to get a Suburban and another kind of truck also. Tennis courts, which I'll be at in about a half hour. All the buildings pretty much look the same. 5 bedrooms. One of them's like a master bedroom, has a bathroom. Getting around is pretty easy because everyone has their own vehicles. Not too bad. You guys are within walking distance of this area. I'm standing opposite the BX now, and you guys live right down there. You can almost see a fire truck. It's our 3 villas. We got one on the corner, this one, and 7144, which is ours. That's the wrong number there. That's 44 right there. This is our villa. My room right there is, but they're pretty nice. Not too much plant life outside because it's gonna die in the sun. But you go into them, the individual rooms as you come in. Start with my room. I got a bunch of shit in my room, loaded to the max. Rooms aren't too bad. They'll probably fit, for you guys, they'll probably fit you maybe two to a room. If you're high ranking, you probably get your own room. But I bought remote control cars since I've been here. All kinds of stuff I'm having to mail back. I had some rugs on the floor, but I mailed those back. I'm starting to pack stuff up, getting ready to get it out of here. And you got air conditioning. Bathrooms, showers. It's another room over here. You have a full kitchen, but you might not have a stove, normal refrigerator, but the villa you're in might not have any pots or pans or anything in it. They have microwaves, but our station only has one microwave for the 3 buildings, so if you use it, we have to go next door. Got a living room, some strange characters around the area. All the villas get a TV VCR. Okay, I'm going past now. Got the master bedroom over here. It's got its own bathroom, its own shower, all that stuff. A couple more rooms down here. And we just got washers put in, which is cool because you don't have to go down to the BX and do your laundry. But, they got a bathtub and shower. The other one only has a shower. You got a roof, along with our dryer. Roof's not too bad for laying out. It's a big, huge area. It's really good for having barbecues and stuff. Awesome for laying out in the sun. It's got all the big walls all over it and everything because they don't want to see people's wives that are up here, or other people can't see their wives that are up here. But pretty good for roof parties. And I guess that's about it for, well, I'll go all the way up on top and give you an overall view of Eskan Village. Okay, this is the top view of Eskan Village. Got some big apartment buildings over there where all the army usually stay. But as you can see, the whole base is just nothing but the same old building over and over again. We're quite a ways from the BX and the BX and MWR and where you guys are at. Only about a mile or so, maybe. Probably less than that. But that's about it. And I guess I'll see you guys when you get here.